Here are 3 benefits to you as a business owner in selling your shares to an employee ownership trust, EOT. Now, a typical sale, a typical sale to a third party of your shares, trading assets, whatever it is, there will be capital gains tax payable, right? So this is number 1. There will be capital gains tax payable. So, okay, BADR, this, that, annual exemption, but let's just say you sell for the disposal, the net gain is 5 million. So we're still looking at £500,000 capital gains tax. Selling to an EOT is completely tax-free, completely CGT-free. So effectively paying a massive O, 0, O for Omar. So no CGT to pay, so massive tax savings, and obviously extremely significant, right? No CGT on the disposal of your shares in your company, trading company must be. No CGT, that's a massive benefit for a business owner. And that's what most business owners will look for. I must say, and I always say, that this shouldn't be the only driver. The only driver to sell to an EOT is just for the, I don't say just, but it's for the CGT benefit. You should look at the wider circumstances as well. But number 1 is completely CGT free. Massive, massive incentive. Number 2 is that the way the disposal of shares to an EOT works, in terms of the mechanics behind it, is that the EOT or the employees now owning the business can be implemented over a longer period of time. So it doesn't have to be like, overnight sort of thing. You have full control over how the transaction works. You literally have full control. So that's a good thing. It's implemented over time, which allows you to, still have some sort of involvement in the business. For example, many business owners, they have the sentiment. They've built up a business throughout their whole life. They still have that connection to the business. And number 3 is that as a retiring business owner, you can literally be paid market value for your shares. Now, there are negatives to it. We don't want to make this video too long, but you can be paid you will be paid market value for your shares in a third party sale. You have all sorts going on, purchaser, due diligence, this, that, the other, this is wrong, just smashing that price down and down. You won't get market value, and plus you have all the legal costs associated, the other headaches associated as well. Selling to an EOT, effectively, if you think about it, as the business owner, you are effectively acting for both sides. If you think about it, so I think these benefits are quite massive. And if you are a business owner and you're looking to, retire, sell up in the next 3 to 5 years, let's say, then I think it's important that you reach out to me and we can have a discussion. It doesn't have to be a sale to an EOT. There's obviously the traditional sale as well, or a management buyout, for example. But an EOT is becoming quite popular and it's something that we can assist with. We can assist with the transaction from start to finish, including all the legal aspects and the implementation and the advice. So do get in touch.